All right, let's just talk about just some of the basics up here. So this here is an onion tool. If you draw an image and then create another slide, you'll notice that the image disappears. But if you click the onion tool, you can briefly see the image underneath, so you can draw your second frame just a little bit differently. So when play happens, you can see it changes occurred. Okay, next thing is copy frame. You have up here where you can copy items, and down below you can click on the double boxes right here to copy an image that's exactly the same as the previous one. And that way you can make a slight change without having to redraw it completely. The toolbar right here has several different types of tools that you can use, and when you click on each tool, you'll notice that there is another subcategory that pops up for you to choose more options from. Saving as you go. So this can save as you go online if you're on the same computer, but if you log into a different account, it might not always be there. So the best thing to make sure you do is always go over and click save after you've made several changes. Give it a name. So in this case, I'd say practice. Okay, and save the file. All right, it should go into your downloads. I would highly recommend also making sure it's in your Google Drive, so if you go onto a different computer, you still have access to it. And all done. If for whatever reason you do lose your file, it completely goes away. So let's show as an example. So I'm going to go to a new one without saving it, starting a new canvas. I can go into open. Okay. All right, choose a brush ninja file. Go into my downloads, and here was my downloads. I should be able to open the file from whatever computer I'm working on. All right, and then finally, when you are completely done with your animation, you can go into export it as a GIF file. So again, give it a name if it didn't already have one. All right, you're going to export as a animated GIF file. Allow it to process. Download animated GIF file, and it should be on your computer in your downloads folder. Again, moving it into your Google Drive to make sure that you have access to it on any computer as needed. All right.